Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix a leaking Frigidaire ice maker hose, seal, valve and pan checks. Fix 1. Water supply hose. You just have to unplug the refrigerator and pull it away from the wall. Look at the water line connection at the back wall. Tighten loose fitting with a wrench. Replace the plastic or copper line if you see cracks or splits. Fix 2. Door seal and gasket. Inspect the rubber seal around the freezer door. Clean dirty seals with a warm water and soap. Check the gaps where a warm air enters and cause melting. Replace the door gasket immediately. Fix 3. Water inlet valve. Locate the valve near the bottom back of the fridge. Look for a water leaks or a mineral buildups around the valve body. Test the valve with a multimeter for a electrical continuity. Replace the valve if it fails to close fully and drips water. Fix 4. Drain pan and shoe. You just have to remove the ice bin inside the freezer. Check for defrost drain hole for a ice block. You just have to pour a warm water down to a drain toe to clear blockage. Empty and clean the bottom drain pan if the water flows. Thanks for watching.